Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Google as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if there is a breakdown below the bottom trend line at $168.51, it will signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential change of approximately 0.177% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 0.87% and 21.48%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 19.98%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 16.20% and 47.08% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $197.87 and $250.44. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The Google stock price gained 1.06% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, rising from $168.50 to $170.28. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.3%, with a day low at $166.77 and a day high of $170.60. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.52% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 6 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 45 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.63 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $207.05, and the lowest price was $130.67. Currently, the price is 17.76%, or $36.77, below the 52-week high, and 93.05%, or $2,278.64, below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Google has announced plans to exit its Fremont neighborhood in Seattle, consolidating its presence in South Lake Union. This strategic move underscores Google's commitment to streamline operations and potentially enhance efficiency, although it may lead to short-term uncertainty regarding employee transition and community response. Amid ongoing developments in artificial intelligence, collaboration with tech giants like NVIDIA continues to be pivotal. NVIDIA's recent strong earnings and optimistic forecasts signal robust demand for AI infrastructure, a sector where Google is heavily invested. As these industry dynamics unfold, Google's stock could benefit from the heightened capital expenditures by major players in AI, which are likely to drive innovation and revenue growth in the long term. However, Google's recent layoffs in human resources and cloud units might raise concerns about operational efficiency and workforce morale, potentially impacting investor confidence in the short term. The ongoing scrutiny from the House Judiciary Committee regarding foreign censorship poses another challenge, as increased regulatory pressure could affect operational freedom and financial performance. On a more positive note, Waymo's doubling of weekly robotaxi rides signifies successful advancements in autonomous technology, contributing to Google's long-term growth prospects. Overall, Google's strategic decisions and external pressures reflect a complex landscape that could lead to moderate volatility, yet the underlying AI and tech market momentum remains a strong driver of potential long-term value. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 1.06%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The Google stock currently presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at the levels of $175.78 and $189.57. A breakout above any of these levels would generate buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 14 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average provided a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 75 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $168.95. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the overall risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.83 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.3%. For the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.7%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $191.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $168.95. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February in the year 2025, Ami Thuner O'Toole conducted an insider purchase of 1,374 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Ami Thuner O'Toole also executed an insider sale of 1,374 shares of Class C Google stock units. Additionally, on that day, Amy Thuner O'Toole conducted another insider sale of 1,390 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 25th of February, John L. Hennessy conducted an insider purchase of 1,920 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, John L. Hennessy executed an insider sale of 1,920 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.179. In total, insiders purchased 1,585,451 shares and sold 1,027,678 shares in these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $159.86, reflecting a decrease of 6.12%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The Low Relative Strength Index, or RSI, of 24 helps to mitigate some of that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it could be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be wise to consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell rating to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of March, we anticipate that Google will open lower by $1.06, starting at $169.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.